Here we have a table of values for x and y. There is a linear relationship between x and y. In the xy plane, the y-intercept of the line representing this linear relationship is 0, negative 16. What is the value of a positive b? Here in the table, the first point, both the x-coordinate and y-coordinate are known, and also we have the y-intercept of the given linear relationship. Using these 2 points, we can get the equation of the given linear relationship in slope-intercept form. Using that equation, we can get the values of the two unknown constants a and b. Further, we can get the value of a positive b. Okay, now let me take the 2 points in Desmos. Let me click on this position, go to the table. Now take the first point from the table, that is negative 12, 44. Now take the y-intercept, that is 0, negative 16. Okay, here click on to get the equation of the given linear relationship, that is y equals to negative 5x negative 16. Let me write over here, y equals to negative 5x and negative 16. We can solve the problem further manually. Okay, let me consider the second point in the table. X coordinate is a, y coordinate is 14. Okay, let me plug in this 14 for y over here, and let's plug in the x coordinate a for x over here. Then we get negative 5a, negative 16. When I add 16 to both sides of this equation, I am getting 30 equals to negative 5a. Let me divide both sides of this equation by negative 5, then I am getting negative 6 equals to a. Here I got the value of a, that is negative 6. Now we have to do the same thing for the third point over here. We have to plug in this x coordinate 2 for x over here, and this y coordinate b for y over here. Then I am getting b equals to negative 5 times 2, negative 16. Then b equals to negative 10, negative 16. b equals to negative 26. Here I got the value of b, that is negative 26. Our aim is to get the value of a positive b. Then a positive b equals to, for a we have negative 6, for b we have negative 26. When I combine negative 6 and negative 26, I am getting negative 32. Here I got the value of a positive b, that is negative 32. We find this negative 32 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.